Hey everyone, this is Vinnie with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. If you have a list of stops or visits you need to make and you're trying to figure out the best driving route, this tool is going to save you so much manual work. And today I'm going to show you our latest and greatest tool, which is the Route Optimizer in Excel. It's a simple Excel tool that helps you plan a more efficient driving route for up to 100 stops using your own list of addresses, zip codes, cities, or coordinates. So instead of copying each one of the stops into Google Maps one by one, you can do the route planning directly inside Microsoft Excel. And this is especially useful if you handle deliveries, service calls, sales visits, pickups, dispatching, or any job where you need to visit multiple locations in one route and you're trying to find the optimal route, the shortest route. And let me show you how it works. You download the tool below. It will be a link in the description of this video and you can download it from there. Once you download it, you open the Excel tool and you go to the settings page. You paste your Google Maps API key into the tool. If you don't have one yet, we've included a video with the step-by-step instructions to help you how to get that part done. Next, you go to the stops input sheet and you paste your list of stops there in no particular order. You can enter full addresses, zip codes, city names, or even latitude and longitude coordinates. As it uses Google Maps, it is very forgiving when it comes to the type of information and type of addresses it takes. And once all of your stops are added or pasted, click the Optimized Route button. And the tool will process your stop list and return the optimized route directly inside your Excel file. You'll be able to see the optimized stop order, leg miles, leg drive time, cumulative miles, estimated arrival time, and any notes you included with your stops. You'll also see a quick summary at the top with the total number of stops, total route distance, and total driving time. Another helpful feature is the Google Maps links built directly into the results sheet. After the route is optimized with the shortest driving time, you can click Open Full Route in Maps at the top of the sheet to view the complete route in Google Maps. This is useful if you want to quickly check the full path, see the route visually, or send the route to someone who prefers to view that right on the map. So you'll also see individual directions, links besides each stop. These are helpful when you want to open one specific leg of the route instead of the entire route. So if you need to review the drive from stop 5 to stop 6 or check a specific section of the route, you can click the directions link and open it right away directly into Google Maps. So you're not just getting a list of stops, you're getting a complete route planner all inside Excel with the details you need to review, organize, save, and share those results and that route. Route Optimizer in Excel is designed to be simple. No coding, no complicated software, no monthly subscriptions. Just paste your stops, click the button, and get your route results inside Excel. Here at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, we've helped over 8,000 users automate location-based tasks in Excel, and now we have over 158, almost 160 Google reviews from customers just like you who use our tools almost every day and saving them time and reducing manual work, automating a lot of their day-to-day processes. And if you need help to set it up, that's the beauty of it. You can reach out by phone, email, or live chat and talk to a real person. You can talk to me, Vinny. No bots, whether it's setup, troubleshooting, or just a quick question, I'll just help you get it all sorted. And if you need a custom Excel tool for your business, let me know as well. I've built hundreds, if not thousands, of tools over the last 15-16 years for customers just like you. Again, you can check out our Route Optimizer in Excel using the link in the description. And if this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more Excel tools like this. We build these at least one a week and we provide videos with new tools and instructions. And someday you might find something that you like. Thank you for watching and I'll see you at the next one.